Hello, crypto world. Wednesday morning. Stock market's basically unchanged. The S&P's down a little, and the tech-heavy Nasdaq's down a little, but there's no dramatic move, despite the fact more tariff news came out, but it really didn't affect the market, though it's relatively positive. Trump said tariffs coming in April will probably be more lenient than reciprocal, but the market's not responding in any major way to it, because the other day he also said that the tariffs in April would be somewhat more lenient than many people had thought. But now let's jump over to crypto. We're in Greenland, not radically up. The move is not dramatic, but it's green, and there's a couple of very important news items. BlackRock, which is the creator of the IBIT ETF, which is incredibly successful in the United States, are now launching another ETF, but this time it will be in Europe. And BlackRock would not be issuing another ETF and putting it in Europe unless they knew it would be, or most likely be, a success. And of course, it's been positive for Bitcoin, the ETF, so this is another good sign. And we have another good sign. The SEC came out and announced that they are going to have 4 roundtables discussing crypto. And the roundtables start on April 11th. They're going to discuss trading in general. April 25th, custody considerations. May 12th, asset tokenization. And then on June 6th, decentralized finance. This is what we've been waiting for with the SEC. This is positive for all crypto. We don't know what the regulations are going to be, but it's not going to be that gray, uncertain area that we've been experiencing. Bottom line, crypto, like the other markets, are basically calm today because they're waiting to see further developments on the tariff front. But crypto has in the background all these regulatory things that are happening that are positive. And I love the fact that BlackRock is going to be issuing an ETF in Europe. They know they can sell it, otherwise they wouldn't be doing it, and it only brings in more buyers for Bitcoin. So that's a positive development. I know we're not up a lot today, but we're not down, and we still have to wait for that April 2nd tariff news to see how it affects the markets.